How to turn off Google Assistant with Bluetooth headphones. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Google Assistant with Bluetooth headphones. First, open the Google app on your mobile device. Then tap the Google account icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on Settings and select Google Assistant. After that, tap General and toggle the Google Assistant option off. Finally, confirm by tapping Turn Off to disable Google Assistant. This will prevent Google Assistant from activating when you're using Bluetooth headphones. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.